Hi everyone, I'm Mohsen, Customer Support Manager here at Hylio, and in this video we'll be unboxing your ARES HYL-150 drone. We shipped this drone in a multi-level crate, as you can see here. The top level houses your accessories and the bottom level has the drone itself inside. Let's dive in. In the top level of your crate, you will find your batteries and charger, GroundLink controller, toolkit, manuals binder, arm clips, and fork nozzle assemblies. Also included are bags for your batteries, and then if you purchase the spare parts kit and spreader systems, those will be included in the top level as well. Make sure immediately upon delivery you remove the batteries and chargers. The batteries must be charged every 3 months to maintain their health. Neglecting this cycling can lead to premature failure. Make sure you refer to the battery maintenance safety sheet and also your operations manuals for further instructions. Let's take a look at the documentation binder included with your crate. Your GroundLink password can be found on the first page. And then there's a drone information sheet with your drone's remote ID serial number, the registration N number, your software license key, and your GroundLink serial number. We've also included your operations manual, software manual, as well as various safety warnings, spec sheets, and maintenance guidelines. There is a USB drive included in the binder. This includes your installer for AgroSol GCS, so you can install it on your PC, and digital versions of all of these documents. Included within this flash drive are example FAA forms as well. Let's take a look inside your GroundLink controller box. Inside this box, you'll find a GroundLink safety warning sheet with the password to log into your controller. We'll remove the foam cover, revealing your controller itself underneath. And here we have your charger box, charging cable, and a USB-C to USB-C cable for connecting your controller to the drone port on your drone. Inside your toolkit, we have here a laminated pre-flight checklist and a daily maintenance checklist, as well as a couple of accessories for your GroundLink controller, like a stand and a harness kit. You have your handheld GPS tracker for marking your field and obstacles, a spare screw set, a digital motor level for keeping your motors balanced, some extension cables, Loctite, as well as a torque wrench set, and some various tools that you may need while working on your drone. You'll also find boxes with arm clips and fork nozzle assemblies. The arm clips need to be installed on the drone before transportation and operations. These go underneath each motor and they prevent the motors from hitting against the landing gear legs. Inside the box, you'll find printed instructions for installation and the QR code on the outside. Scanning this will take you to a YouTube video that will show you how to install the arm clips. The fork nozzles are an optional accessory included in every Hylio ARES drone kit. These can be installed on the drone if you would rather spray with a hydraulic system than the atomizers that come pre-installed. Just like the arm clips, these also include printed instructions as well as a QR code that can be scanned to watch a video for installation. If you purchase the spare parts kit, that will also be in the top level of the crate. This also comes with a QR code where you can see how to install these accessories on your drone. Let's take a look at what's inside. We have a safety warning sheet for proper installation of your propellers, some spare tubing, couple of extra hydraulic forks, a spare pump. This can be used as both the left pump or the right pump. There's going to be a YouTube video that will show you how to change the orientation of the pump. You are welcome to watch that for those instructions. A spare flow meter, a spare atomizer, as well as a full set of propellers. So we have 2 clockwise and 2 counterclockwise propellers. If you purchased a spreader system, that will come in a box like this with a QR code that will take you to a YouTube video showing you how to install it on your drone. Let's take a look inside this box. Here you'll find a pre-assembled complete system with the tank, the load cells, the spreader device, and a smart tank PCB ready for installation. Once you have removed everything from the top level, remove the divider to reveal your drone underneath. It's clamped down for transportation. Make sure you install the RF antennas before powering it on. These are taped on the top cover and they come with a warning sheet here. Make sure you also install the arm clips underneath the motors to prevent the motors from hitting the landing gear legs. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you remove those batteries and charger from the crate immediately upon delivery. The batteries must be charged regularly to maintain their health. Before your first takeoff, go through the binder and the operations and software manuals. Install AgroSol GCS on your PC or use your GroundLink controller and the Cloud Sim feature to practice our software. Pay very close attention to the safety warning sheets, the pre-flight checklist, and the first flight checklist. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team by calling 832-219-1498 or email us at support@hyl.io. Congratulations on your new ARES HYL-150 drone.